Handling events with React elements is very similar to handling events on DOM elements. For example, we will show you how to handle a click event on a button element in React. First, we will convert our square's div element into a button. We will make some space in our button tag. The button can respond to the user clicking on it by using an onClick event handler. The onClick handler takes a JSX container. Within the JSX container, a function definition is passed. When the user clicks on the button with a function definition passed to its onClick handler, the function is called. For example, we will pass an anonymous function which alerts the user which square was clicked on by the user. Save the file. We will add some additional CSS styles to the button when it is clicked. Go to index.css. Set the outline to none. And set a darker background color. Save the file. We will now check if the squares respond to clicks directly in the browser. Click on the square with index 2. As desired, we get an alert saying square 2 clicked.